In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to appear offline on Steam even when you are actually online. Let's get started. So the fastest way to do this is by opening Steam and clicking on Friends in the top left corner. From there, you will see your current status, which is usually set to online. Just click on it and switch your status to invisible or offline. This will make you appear offline to others while still letting you access everything normally. Now, if you want more control, there is another method. Head to the bottom right corner of Steam and click on Friends and Chat. This will open a separate window where you can manage your status more precisely. At the top of the window, click on your profile drop down and you'll see several options like Away, Invisible, Offline, and Do Not Disturb. Invisible is the best option if you want to appear offline but still chat with friends. Offline will completely shine you out of chat, while Do Not Disturb keeps you online but disables notifications. So, depending on what you need, you can pick the option that suits you best. That's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.